So the names of the 4 UPDF officers have emerged. In case you didn't know, 4 UPDF officers have been charged before a general court martial in Bakenyi over allegations of misusing operational fuel for personal benefit. The accused are now Brigadier General James Bagwere, Colonel David Kidega, Major Innocent Kikonga Mugumye, and Captain Kenneth Lubwon Kenyara have denied the charges. Prosecution alleges the officers diverted about 270,000 liters of diesel for personal use between July 2022 and December 2023 in Kampala and Jinja. The court, chaired by Brigadier General Richard Tukucherua, has adjourned the matter to May 29, 2026 for mention. You know, the names are not all that easy to pronounce.
Defense forces in the general court martial ordered at Bakiga. Original case number UPDF /GCM /049/2026. Date is 27th April 2026. Charge sheet. Uganda versus A1 R06897. Brigadier General James Bagwere, a male adult Ugandan of sound mind, aged 60 years, a UPDF general officer, former attached to URDC as commandant, a person subject to military law. A2 R07892, Colonel David Kidega, a male adult Ugandan of sound mind, aged 52 years, a UPDF senior officer, former attached to Iteso as a staff officer or a person subject to military law. A3 R0124449, Major Innocent Chikonji Muhoozi, a male adult Ugandan of sound mind, aged 41, a UPDF senior officer, former attached to URDC as transport officer, a person subject to military law. A4 R0128449, Captain Kenneth Labon Kinyera, a male adult Ugandan of sound mind, aged 37 years, a UPDF junior officer, former attached to JS services as a procurement officer, a person subject to military law, are hereby charged with statement of offense, personal interests, endangering operation of efficiency, contrary to section 122B of the UPDF Act, Cap 330 as amended. Particulars of offense: Brigadier General James Bagwere, Colonel David Kidega, Major Innocent Chikonji Muhoozi, and Captain Kenneth Labon Kinyera, between July 2022 and December 2023 in Kampala and Jinja states, misused for personal interest about 270,000 in figures and words liters of automotive gas oil in bracket abo supplies meant for warning heavy operation equipment of Uganda rapid deployment capability. I will ask one by one. I choose number 1. Brigadier General Bagwere, have you heard and understood the charge against you?
Yes, my
Do you accept or you deny the charge? January 29th of May for further mention, and there are two persons I reminded to mark in the military police station.
Must remember that this has been said to be a broader crackdown by Muhoozi, of which Muhoozi has also confirmed on Twitter that he is the one checking onto the corruptions, clearing it, making it zero in the UPDF, so that the military of Uganda becomes so clean. Someone may wonder, they're clearing corruption in the UPDF army, moreover, soldiers. But then a politician in parliament still remains untouched. So that is it. That's the update, and those are the 4 names of the UPDF officers that we promised we would bring out.